Topic 5 of Module 1 of the GCSE is about something called a box plot. Now hopefully you already looked at the film Topic 4 about cumulative frequency graphs and how we worked out the upper quartile and the lower quartile and the interquartile range and the median. A box plot is just another kind of graph that shows that same information. So, remember we had that last time. Just write that down again. So a box plot is a simple diagram that shows that information and more. So remember we had the people with the money in their pockets. We didn't know exactly how much each, but the lower quartile was 18. The upper quartile was 35.5 and the median was 27, as we saw from the cumulative frequency graph. Now I'm giving you the extra information that the lowest value is 0.20. So that means that 20 cents, 0.2 of a dollar, is the smallest amount of money that anybody had in their pocket. And then the highest value is 95. So I'm telling you that the most money anybody had in their pocket was $95. So it's the information we had and two extra pieces of information, the lowest value and the highest value. And this information on a box plot, well, you start off with a scale. I made it from 0 to 100. There's a box, and that box goes from 18 to 35.50 in this case, because the lower quartile is 18 and the upper quartile is $35.50, 35.5. So you've got a box that shows how far it is from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. In the middle of that box is 27, which is the median. So find 27 on the scale, and there's a line there to show that the median is at 27. So all these numbers line up on the scale. 18 is there for the lower quartile, 27 is there for the median, and $35.50 for the upper quartile. And we're also going to show the lowest value and the highest value by doing a line like that. So the line goes from 0.2, because the lowest value is 0.2 of a dollar, up to 95 on the scale, because the highest value is 95. So just write all of that down. And another name for those is a box and whisker diagram. And you can see how it's a box and then something that looks a bit like a cat's whisker, for example, on the side of it. So just write that down as well. And there should be some questions.